Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect and share your mobile screen to laptop. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your laptop settings. So here you can see I just open laptop settings and select system. And right now scroll down, you can find the option projecting to this PC. Select it and select this and select available everywhere. Select it and select first time only. So right now you can see there have a option launch the connect app to project to this PC. Select this and right now you just need to go on your mobile phone and make sure you connect the same internet on your laptop as well as your mobile phone. And right now just swipe down and you can find the option here. You can see there have a cast option icon. You just need to select it and right now enable it and select turn on, and you just need to wait. And you can see this is your laptop name. You can match it. Here you can see my laptop model name here is showing, so I just select it. So after select, you just need to wait, and here you can see right now my mobile phone screen already shared on my laptop. Here you can see if I do anything that's shared on my laptop. So here you can see. So guys, in this way you can very easily share your mobile phone screen to your laptop. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.